Hello my cheese and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Nondie Gods. Hope you click the subscribe button and stay a while. Anyway guys, in today's video I will be unboxing my Zara order. So if you want to see what I got, please stay tuned. I only ordered two things my cheese, so this should not be a long video, so let's get into the box. My order came in this, obviously guys. I just opened it because I had to check if everything was in here and my order was complete. Just quickly on the logistics. Ordered this on the 14th of April. Only got it sometime in June, second week of June. Had a long fight with Zara over it. I moved. If you want to know what happened, go onto my Twitter. It's a story somewhere there. Just have to go through my timeline. But yeah, I'm not very impressed with the service, but we are here and I got my stuff. Paid packaging. So it comes nicely wrapped with this tissue paper, and then just gonna open it. Then the first thing that I ordered was this cute white bag that comes in a very cute dust bag, and it's got Zara on it. So that's a nice touch. Of course, we're dealing with higher end stuff, and it's just this. Let me just turn on the light for you guys. It's just this mini bag. It's not really mini. I think it's a midi bag, guys. It's not really small. A mini for a bigger person like me, but it's just in this embossed, croc embossed. It's cream, croc embossed finishing, guys. I haven't done this in so long, so now I'm doing it. So this I bought because I didn't have a white bag, and it's also a dupe of the Celine trifold, but I'll talk about it in my next dupes video. So I bought this because I needed a white bag. Guys might have seen me in my Khloe Kardashian Same Fit Done Fat. I didn't have a white bag, so I'm like, oh, you need a white bag at the end of the day. So it just comes with a crossbody strap as well, and I like it. It's got nothing inside, it's just a big hole. So, and then it clasps closed, and that's really so cute. But this is not the reason why we're here. This is just an add-on. The reason why we are here, guys, is because of this sweetie pie. Let me turn on the light for you guys. It's because of this sweetie pie, guys. I think I alluded in more than one of my videos that I really want this bodysuit, but we don't have a Zara anytime. The nearest Zara is in PE, and obviously haven't been traveling there in a very long while, so I wasn't gonna get there. And all that I wanted was for someone, I even wrote on Twitter, someone who's more or less my size, 44, 46, 42, to go in store and fit it on for me and tell me if it fits, then I could order. Because I don't want to waste 80 rand for shipping, order something that doesn't fit, and I have to take it back and stuff like that. So over lockdown they didn't charge for shipping, so I think that's another thing that enticed me. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you the price of the bag. I was too excited. The bag was 459, but I got it on sale for 250 rand. So back to the man of the moment. What was I saying? Oh, so lockdown they didn't charge for delivery, so I'm like, yeah, let me get this thing now, so that it should not fit, I can send it back for free. The price tag on this was 319, and it is a size large. Now Zara is not a plus, is not size inclusive, doesn't have any plus sizes, and has no plans, and as far as I know, of size inclusivity. So I don't have a clothing item from Zara. I have my perfumes there, and I had some bags in the past from Zara that I got long ago, but it's not a store that I would naturally gravitate towards. But this bodysuit has been doing the rounds for the longest time, and it simply is not going to go out of fashion, guys. So take it as you want, but I think it is an investment. It is a beautiful layering piece, and it goes with a lot of things. So I'm like, I'm going to get cost per wear out of the item, even if it's a bit steep for a top. You guys know my cap for tops is 100, 150, 200 rand at most, but this top is 319 rand. When it first came onto Zara, it was 280, I remember very clearly, and still then I was skeptical about buying it. Obviously demand, the price went up. So I got the nude one. There's a lot of colors, so I haven't tried it on for you guys, and see, but it's very stretchy, very, very stretchy, guys. And the reason why I'm going in depth with this, guys, is primarily because I've scoured every corner of the internet and come up with nothing. All the girls, I even typed in Zara plus size, Zara bodysuit. All the girls who own this bodysuit are size 8s or 10s or 12s. Even 14 is very rare for you to find. But yeah, I took the plunge and I got the bodysuit. For someone like me who had the same issue, can find a video on a person who's a size 46/22 trying on a Zara bodysuit in the biggest size they have is a size large. So let us try it on. But it's very stretchy, guys, so I have hope. It fits, guys. It fits so nicely. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never done ballet, but it feels like a leotard, like an actual leotard, because the UK bloggers call bodysuits leotards. But anyway, they could buy UK and go. I'm stopping English. Guys, it's perfect. Here it is from the side. Because I don't have side boob, I mean I don't have boobs, there's absolutely no side boob. It scoops in a lot, and then it's a bit low here. Then here's the back. Absolutely love it. It's so comfortable. Now I want it in every color. Now I understand the babes who like buying the same thing in 5 million colors. Guys, it's so comfortable. I'm gonna move back for you guys just now. And the color suits me so much. I'm so happy I made this sacrifice, guys. Like, for anyone else, I'm just so happy. Like, I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't want to preach. I don't want to sound preachy. It does up all the way, but I'll move back for you guys just in a bit. But I want you guys to get into it. Like I could go, just put on a pair of jeans and go. And it's smoothing, guys. Can you just see, like, because I have, take my hair back, have love handles right here, and now it's just smooth. Of course, your clumsy friend has makeup on it already, because obviously the neck hole is small, so I have trouble putting it over my head. But putting it on in general, it's nice and stretchy. As you guys can see, it's not dead against my skin. There's still some room on it. Zara, come through for the plus babes. I wanted it in every color, guys. There's a brown, there's a blue, there's a red, and there's an orange. The only one that's available right now on the South African side is the brown. Then the blue, orange are on the UK side. So I might order that and send it to my Arimax address. I don't know, because I'm not obsessed. So guys, here it is in its entirety. I'm super impressed. I think you guys can see my panties because it's like it's stretched out, so it's becoming a bit transparent, but nothing too bad. And it's just double lined on the top just to cover your nips, because I've never worn this with a bra. No one would wear it with a bra. So it's double lined just up to under your boobs, then it's just one single layer. But look, guys, it fits. And there's room, like I said. Oh my gosh, it's done up all the way. It's got 2 clasps, which I would have wished I had a third, just for reinforcement, but I don't care. It fits. And then here it is from the back. It's a full brief because it's covering my panty, the one that I have on already. And then from the side, like body yardie, guys. If you're more or less my size and we're having doubts, here's a sign, guys. Someone commented on my Twitter that I'm making them spend the tuition money. That's not my intention, guys. This is a basic, and you're going to get your, like I was saying before my battery rudely interrupted me. Someone on my Twitter commented and said they love me so much, but I'm gonna make them spend the tuition money. Guys, I hope you don't take that away from me, in the sense that I don't want you guys to be impulse buyers, but I want you to see what is missing in your closet. I don't just wake up and buy. I plan all my spends, guys. Many of you may not look it. I'm letting you guys know that I have a list. You guys know that. I don't have A, B, and C. And then I tick it off as I buy. Anyway, guys, I hope I was able to help the next person. I'm super excited. I'm satisfied, as you guys can see. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.